The dig out continues this evening from the overnight snowstorm. Fox 43's James Corrigan surveyed the cleanup and caught up with volunteers in Lancaster County, helping people in need of shoveling.
The snow arrived on Sunday, and for many, it didn't stick around. The brunt of the storm missed south central Pennsylvania, turning what could have been a week of cleanup into a morning of shoveling. For those unable to shovel, however, help was on the way.
It's still heavy and not the easiest to move around, but since there's a lot less of it, it's doable.
Lancaster Snow Angels founder Jennifer Jarvis and her team had plenty of homes and driveways to shovel, largely from elderly people, including a 96-year-old in Lancaster City whose driveway needed to be cleared.
A lot of our clients have doctor's appointments that they need to get to. With the roads being cleared, that's great that they're able to get from point A to point B, but they're not able to get out of their homes.
The same generosity was seen in Columbia by Michael Lochman, founder of Santa's Wolf Pack, which also volunteers to shovel. His mission was the same, in clearing off cars from the borough's appreciative residents.
He tried to slip me $40, and I said, "No, sir." He said, "Well, you're out here. I know what you're doing." And I just tell him, "Look, we're doing it kind of our heart."
Many more cars found themselves needing clearing, along with the spaces they reside in. All shovelers were thankful that this was their only cleanup, as the snow that pummeled Philadelphia and New Jersey passed them by. The cleanup remains active, however, with volunteers ready to dig out of what they hope will be the last major snowfall of the season.
To help out people in the community, it makes me feel like I'm an angel.
It costs nothing to be kind. Always help your neighbors and check on your neighbors.
James Corrigan, Fox 43 News.